Do you want to know? Then follow me. Let's see here.
Yeah, what happened?
This mango.
Wait. Yeah, those are mangoes. They are not ripened yet. See how small they are.
They are growing big.
In the month of May, in the summer season, it will grow very big. We will wait and watch how does it grow.
Let's see here. Tomatoes are growing.
Wow, there are many tomatoes.
See here also. See friends, our tomatoes are grown.
Yeah, Jerry, I think you should pluck it.
And see, long beans.
Wow, they too have grown well. Okay, let's pluck it.
See,
Yes, pluck it.
so bye friends.